Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a journal with me. In this journaling session, I'm going to be documenting about a trip to Blaze Hamlet and a new plant that I bought for my craft room. These things happened on the same day, so I thought I would create a spread about it. It's nothing exciting, but I wanted a place to keep hold of the memory of my plant. I still have it to this day. I haven't managed to kill it yet. I remembered that I had a vintage book page at the back of my journal with a house on it. I thought it was perfect for documenting Blaze Hamlet. Blaze Hamlet is owned by the National Trust. There are a group of 9 cottages on a green in Bristol. They are occupied, so you can't go in and look around them, but it was nice that we could cross another National Trust off our list. When I looked up the name on the book page, I think it said Colin Grove Homestead. I found out it was also a National Trust, but in Australia. I couldn't have picked a better page for this spread. The ephemera I have to add into my journal today is some packaging from the plant and the plant care card. I also have a couple of photos. So you see me here just choosing some scrapbook paper to cover this brown packaging paper page with. I wanted to add some colour to the spread. I discovered pretty quickly that the plain page was going to work the best to back the photos on top of. So I'm using my Tombow Mono multi-glue to stick it down. I'm going to add some washi tape down the centre of the page just to stop that scrapbook paper from lifting back up. It's one of the wide William Morris tapes. So now I'm just placing everything down on the page and figuring out where it's all going to go. I wanted to put that plant care card in a pocket, so I ended up cutting down another piece of scrapbook paper from the same collection as the pink one. So I'm going to use double-sided tape to create my pocket, and I'm going to add it on 3 sides. I then decided that I wanted to trim the pocket down. I wanted it to be a bit smaller on the page, so I did cut that off camera, and you'll see me now add a bit more double-sided tape to create the pocket. I also trimmed these photos down a little bit off camera, and again I've used double-sided tape on the back of them. And then I was trying to figure out where I was going to put this piece of packaging. I wasn't really sure where it was going to go at this point, so I do come back to it a little bit later. And then I wanted to title this page with Blaze Hamlet, so I've pulled out some alphabet stickers. These are from one of the Maggie Holmes collections. It might be from Heritage, but I love how colourful these alphabet stickers are. I only had enough stickers to spell out Blaze. I didn't have enough of some of the letters to spell out Hamlet as well. So I'm using this other alphabet sticker sheet that I have, and I really like these alphabet stickers. I thought they went really well with the other ones. And then I'm also using them to spell out new plant on this pocket. And then I come back to this piece of packaging, trying to figure out where I like it, and in the end I attach it to the edge of this page, and it just acts as a little tab. So I'm just going to staple it down to the page, and I'm going to use my Tim Holtz tiny attacher to do that. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of washi tape to decorate the pages a little bit further. So the photos at the top of this page, the one on the left is a photo of my husband's plant when he bought it in 2022. I didn't take a photo of mine for some reason. And then the one on the right hand side of the page is a picture of my plant that I took the day before I filmed this video. So it's quite a recent picture of it. And now I'm just going in and adding a little bit of journaling to this page. It's not much, but I didn't feel like I had a lot I wanted to say. And then I'm just going to go in with some final details and add some stickers. I really wasn't 100% sure what to put up in this space up the top here, so I just added a little bird sticker. And then I felt like something was missing on the page and I just needed to add something. So I pulled out a pink colouring pencil and I just decided to doodle lots of dots around the edge of this page. This is one of the Luminance pencils by Caran d'Ache. I can't remember the name of the pink colour, but I know it had a very long name and it began with the letter A. I'll leave the number on the screen in case you want to know. And these are the finished pages. I really like how this spread turned out. It was a pretty quick page to put together. I felt like everything just had its place. I had fun using the Maggie Holmes Garden Party collection too. So here's a closer look at some of the smaller details. I hope you enjoyed watching the pages come together and it gave you some ideas and inspiration for your own journal. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.